When conventional deep foundation systems fall short due to weak soils or cost, engineers need a better option. Introducing the Heli Max grouted pile from PierTech. The Heli Max is designed specifically for cohesive and non-cohesive soils with low bearing capacity such as soft clays, silt, or loose sand. The Heli Max combines the ease of installation of helical piles with the load capacity of drill displacement systems. As the pile advances, the displacement cone controls the diameter of the grout column, while controlled, pressurized grout fills the annular space from the bottom up, eliminating voids and increasing skin friction. This isn't gravity-fed grouting. You control pressure, volume, and placement, giving you confidence in performance and repeatability. The result is a system capable of supporting 200 to 500 tons individual load with higher load per foot than traditional deep foundations. Because Heli Max develops capacity more efficiently, piles can often be installed at 21 to 50 feet compared to 100 feet or more for alternative systems, representing a significant saving for your project. Less depth means lower cost per kit, typically 17 to 25% less than auger cast systems. No spoils, no large excavations, no archaeological delays, better quality control. With smaller crews installing up to 10 piles per day and grout cure times as low as 14 days, projects move faster from installation to load. The pressurized grout column can reach up to 5 times the diameter of gravity-fed systems, creating a stronger bond zone and significantly increasing capacity. This allows engineers to design with lower safety factors while maintaining confidence in performance, ultimately reducing total foundation cost. If your project demands high capacity in weak soils, faster installation, and predictable performance, it's time to consider the Heli Max. PierTech Systems, from blueprint to bedrock.